الدهيمة، ثم تنشب فتنة أخرى ضخمة جدا وكبيرة وهائلة، لدرجة قال لا تدع أحدا من هذه الأمة إلا لطمته لطمة. فهذه هي الفتنة العظمى المظلمة، فتنة الدهيماء. لا تدع أحدا إلا لطمته لطمة. ما معنى الدهيماء؟ تصغير الدهماء. وما معنى الدهماء في اللغة؟ يعني السوداء. التصغير فيها للتعظيم وليس للتقليل. فإذا الدهيماء هذه الفتنة العظيمة المظلمة، لا تدع أحدا من هذه الأمة إلا لطمته لطمة، أي أصابته بمحنة ومسته ببلية. ما في واحد إن راح له ولد أو أب أو أخ أو مال أو احترق بيته أو ذهبت دابته، ما في أحد إلا يصاب به. من عظيم شررها أنها تدخل على كل الناس، تمس كل الناس، ما في ولا واحد إلا تمس. كلما خفت اشتعلت، فإذا قيل انقضت توهم الناس إنها الآن إلى زوال، تمادت أبدا، بلغت الغاية.
Moments ago, New York has come under attack. Witnesses claim to have seen hundreds of UFOs. It's opening fire!
Würde man sagen, die Suche nach alternativer Energie. Doch damals ging es um noch viel mehr, nämlich um eine andere Wissenschaft, eine grundsätzlich andere Technik. Vereinfacht könnte man sagen, Implosion statt Explosion. Sehen wir uns also den mutmaßlichen Aufbau eines deutschen Tachyonenflugkreisels des Typs Haunebut 2 an, wie ihn der Computer rekonstruiert. Es ist anzunehmen, dass dieser Grundaufbau in etwa dem aller deutschen Flugkreiseltypen entspricht. Auch zahlreiche UFO-Fotos, die nach 1945 aufgenommen wurden, zeigen die charakteristischen Merkmale dieses Aufbaus. Auf dieser Großaufnahme im Flug sind die Einzelheiten des Flugkreisels gut zu erkennen. Ein leichtes Geschütz oben, ein schweres Geschütz unten. Damals flogen die UFOs also. Und heute? Hier eine Fotografie aus dem Iran, aufgenommen 1986 oder 87. Die Mehrzahl dieser Fotos zeigt Haunebut 2 Versuchsmuster mit Panzertürmen, die an der Unterseite der Flugscheiben montiert sind. Ganz eindeutig handelt es sich dabei um Türme der deutschen Standardpanzerpanzer. Ein weltweites Meldesystem wurde geschaffen und allen großen Militärflughäfen wurde der Befehl erteilt, unidentifizierbare Flugobjekte abzufangen. Risiko einer Panik vermindert wird. UFO-Fotos werden fortan beschlagnahmt. Man fürchtet sich vor den fliegenden Untertassen, denn man weiß wohl, dass sie nicht außerirdischer Herkunft sind.
Keeping information and technology from us under the blanket of national security. They have 25 years ahead of us at least, technologically. Can you imagine what they've done?
They are preventing humanity from progressing. They've held back technical progress by at least 100 years, if not more.
The film Independence Day broke all box office records, becoming the 7th highest ranking film of all time. It entranced audiences around the world with a fictional story of an alien invasion on Earth. However, deep within the film's subliminal messages can be found, indicating the Freemasonic presence and the Freemasonic agenda. In the film, there is a military base known as Area 51. It is from here that the military offensive is launched, on which the salvation of the whole world and the future of its inhabitants depends. The entrance to this installation is a pyramid, on which is engraved the symbol of the one eye. The film shows the USA as the forerunner in establishing a global offensive, involving all the nations of the world, an offensive which is devised, controlled and commanded by one man, one overall leader. The film is part of an upsurge in an upsurge of films and television serials on the topics of aliens, UFOs and invasions threatening the whole of mankind. These are gradually fueling the growing interest and public unrest on the issue. This is just one of the many ways in which the Freemasons are paving the way for their global government. The Freemasons are using a number of approaches to drive fear into the hearts of the masses.
What I discovered, ladies and gentlemen, is that there has been a plan in existence since about 1917, and probably before that, to create an artificial extraterrestrial threat to this Earth in order to create a one-world totalitarian socialist government. Experiments have been proposed to test the credibility of an out-of-our-world invasion threat. And it continues on another page. Nevertheless, an effective political substitute for war would require alternate enemies.
Alien threat from outside this world. And yet I ask you, is not an alien force already among us?
Question denied for at least 50 years. The men and women who are on this stage and the some 350 additional military intelligence witnesses to the so-called UFO matter and extraterrestrial intelligence can prove and will prove that we are not alone.
Their plans to create a mock alien invasion.
China's skies forced Zhoushan Airport to stop operations on July 7th. Outbound flights were grounded after the unidentified flying object was detected by a flight crew. The incident has captured the attention of Chinese media. Theories about the UFO's identity are burning up on the internet as well. They include everything from a hidden U.S. bomber to an elaborate man-made hoax. For now, the UFO continues to be a mystery. A spokesman from China's Civil Aviation Administration confirmed to ABC News the matter is under investigation.
Some Chinese residents are on edge this morning after another apparent UFO sighting. It's the second one in 2 weeks. The first sighting was on July 7th, and an airport had to be shut down.
All right, that's a UFO if I've ever seen one.
Yeah, can you identify it?
That's undeniable.
The airport had to be shut down after people apparently saw twinkling lights above the airport terminal. 17 flights had to be diverted. The latest sighting happened just 2 days ago, and people say they saw 4 lantern-like objects forming a diamond shape in the air, hovering in the sky for over an hour. An aviation experts say they don't know what it was. It wasn't a plane.
Scientists from all over the world are trying to figure out what caused a mysterious blue light to spiral in the sky over Norway on Wednesday.
As UFO sightings go, this one was as good or as weird as it gets.
A light appearing high in the Arctic sky, baffling those who saw it and exciting a lot of comment. Early yesterday morning, just before dawn, this appeared in the Norwegian sky. A blue light, small at first, growing into a spiral, and then disappearing into what appeared to be a black hole. In the northern community of Trøndelag and on a Norwegian military base, cell phones snapped, video cameras rolled, and bloggers got busy.
Tonight, Norwegian authorities were investigating strange lights seen in the Arctic sky. The spiraling white light was seen for several minutes Wednesday morning. Locals say the light appeared to be bigger than the moon. Thousands of Norwegians bombarded the Meteorological Institute to ask what that light could have possibly been. Some feared it could have been a meteor, others a black hole, and there are even those that thought it could be aliens.
A strange spiraling white light was spotted in the early morning sky over Sydney, with even skeptical witnesses wondering if it was a UFO. The unusual sight was recorded by hundreds of people from Victoria north to Queensland.
A spiral in the sky around a bright light.
Scientists left baffled by an unexplained circular light seen hovering high over Moscow Wednesday evening. People described seeing a wide circular formation in the sky. Footage capturing the spectacle will help weather scientists and specialists find an explanation for the event.
What was in the skies over Jerusalem? And why did it stop over one of the most treasured sites in Christianity?
There's a new video this morning that some say may be proof we're not alone in the universe. A UFO in the form of a bright light is seen descending over the dome of the rock in Jerusalem. The video is said to be taken over the weekend. Then suddenly the light shoots up into the sky. You see it? Another video from a different angle appears to show the light doing the same thing.
Now it is sparking intense debate on the internet. Trace Gallagher following us live from our West Coast News. So the question is, what was that UFO? What was it doing over Jerusalem? And